Okay, so we have the line parts. We've got this all written down, and it's on the back of where we're going to do our art. Now what you're going to do in this first box is I'm going to have you write your name, okay? And this is the name that you would like to be called in my class, okay? So I have started mine here. You can see it. So I've got Reynolds written down. Now I could also put my first name on here if I wanted to, but I'm not going to. Now, in your drawing, what you're going to do in that one box, see how it's just one square. So you're going to show me in here all the different kinds of lines. So you're going to show me vertical, horizontal, diagonal, curved, and the zigzag lines in this project right here on this one. You're also going to show me the characteristics of line. So you're going to show me length, how long, right? Long or short, okay, could be short. You're going to show me the colors. You're going to show, like you can do different colors. You can show me width, how wide or skinny, how fat or thin. If you use a pencil, you can also do how light and dark that is. And that's another way that you can show line, okay? Now each one of the letters of your name should show some type of line in it. And you can change them. See how I did horizontal here, and I did curved in my E, I did zigzag in the Y, and I also changed the color here. Now in my R, I changed the width of the line, or the weight. I made it fat and skinny. Okay, now I haven't finished the other letters, so you're going to do that. Now I've also started, in the background, I started a background because, you know, I want to be an overachiever or go the extra mile, so I want to fill in my background. Okay, and you can do that the way you'd like to. Alright, so that's box number 1. Now in box number 2, which we started today too, we did shape. Okay, so in the second box, there's line, you see the line and how we did line. Now we're going to write about shape. Now with shape, we have geometric shapes and we have organic shapes, okay? The geometric shapes have a name that is associated with them. So they're like the circle, the square, the triangle, the rectangle, oval, half circle, heart, and diamond. They all have a name. They have octagon. This actually has a name too, but I can't remember what it is. It's a geometrical shape, okay? Or it's in geometry. Now, organic shapes, they don't have names. They could just be a blob or a spill or a splat or a leaf. They really don't have names to them because they're organic and they happen in nature, where geometric shapes are man-made and they occur in our world, in the man-made world, okay? So we've got organic shapes and geometric shapes, okay? Now this is what should be on the back. So then we have line and we have shape. Okay, now with shape, that part of shape, excuse me, we are, you're going to put 10 geometric shapes, okay? So you're going to have to locate my geometric shapes. So I have a circle, a diamond, a heart, or a diamond, a triangle, a heart, there's kind of a square, there's a rectangle. There are 10 of them on this page. Okay, now you're also going to have 10 organic, or what we call free-form, because free-form shapes are also organic. Okay, so I have organic shape, organic shape, organic shape, and these are shapes that don't have a name. All right, you're going to have 10 of them. And then you're going to use the colored pencils and you're going to fill in the colors of the shapes. Okay, you can also use marker where if you want to outline, you know, those shapes so that they stand out a little bit more. And then I'd like you to do the background. All right, so shape really isn't, shape and line are our easiest elements. All right, so there's line, we've done line, there's my line, and we've done shape. Now the third box is color. Okay, this is my color. And then on the opposite side, you're going to tell me about color. And remember that we have primary colors, secondary colors, and intermediate colors on the color wheel. The wheel is in a circle, and then the primary colors are equally spaced apart, and then the secondary colors are equally spaced, and then the intermediate colors are in between. Okay, so we have that color wheel. You could look it up on your Chromebook if you want to. All right, so we have our primary colors, which are red, yellow, and blue. And we have our secondary colors, which we get a secondary color by mixing two primaries together. So we get two, orange, or red and orange, yellow, we get orange. Okay, red and blue, we get violet. Yellow and blue, we get green. Okay, so we mix two primaries together to get a secondary. And then the secondary colors are orange, green, and violet. The next level of color is the intermediate colors. And the way we get an intermediate color is we mix the primary with the secondary. And then we get the intermediate color. So we have 6 intermediate colors here. All right, and you can see them there. And we use the intermediate colors often. Now, if you notice, the primary color is first when we label the color. Okay, so that's that one. Now, what you're going to do on the other side with color is you're going to create a color wheel. And this is to be a creative color wheel. So mine is a flower, and it has the stems, and then it has a blue background. All right, so that is color. All right, I'll be back.